Hello and welcome back to the Improvement Channel. Please subscribe, like, turn on the notifications. Today we're going to be working on license plate. Let me show you. So what's going on is I'm running my car through the car wash and the brushes are hitting up against this. I've actually bent this back some, tried to on the car. Today what we're going to do is fix that. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a 3/8 nut driver with our trusty Ryobi impact drill and remove. So I'm just taking a piece of scrap plastic lumber here, trying to straighten it out where the creases are a little. I got a gnat here in the shot, or in the paint. I don't know if you can see it here in the shot, but anyway, it's part of painting outside. I ask, put it in the comments if you know what a Peter gnat is. So if it hangs around a dog is a clue. If you think you might know what it is, throw that in the comments. I'd like to see if anybody had heard that one or knows it. I say that a lot to a lot of people that's never heard of it. So anyway, Peter gnat. What is a Peter gnat? We're going to flip these over. Paint the other side. Here we are the next morning, and our product's all cured out real good, ready to go. But this had only been to the car wash one time, and that's what it looked like. I'm going to run it to the car wash, see if that works. We're out at Pristine Car Wash in Forney. We'll see how things go with getting the car washed and not messing up the front license plate. Right here is the one that will mess up the front license plate. can see the dash cam and the radar detector that I installed in another video here. That's what those look like. So please check the other video if you've got any interest in seeing that install. Quick look, see what it looks like, and that did absolutely no good. It did exactly what it did every time. Of course, this piece of metal is not going to bend. I'm going to have to probably attach it even more towards the edge. Now in the evening, after looking at what happened with the license plate at the car wash, I've straightened it out as much as I can. I'm going to use these self-tapping screws. I'm using a scrap piece of the metal that I didn't paint. I'm going to drill a hole in it. So even though those are self-tappers, it's just a lot easier to get them started when you put a hole down first. Screwing that all the way down. And then I'm going to cut that off. And there'll be my finished product. So I just need to do that 8 more times. Okay, so I've got our material clamped down. I'm going to go ahead and use the same bit and pre-drill. We'll catch it over here pretty close to the edge. Put it back on the car, and we'll run it through the car wash again and see what happens. All right, looks perfect this time, luckily. So, good to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I know this wasn't the most exciting video, but there's plenty more to come. Thanks.